Does being a business owner sometimes make you want to rip your hair out? Whether you're a talented marketer looking for proven strategies or the only funnel you know is a funnel cake, today you'll become a course creation expert. Your first and next sale doesn't have to be a wild goose chase. Instead, with course creation, it can actually be fun, minus the funnel cake. Here are 7 steps to create and sell online courses at absolutely no cost. First, choose a topic for your online course. Second, research your online courses. Third, outline your course goals and objectives. Fourth, create your course. Fifth, price your course. Sixth, market and sell your online course. And seventh, launch and refine your online course. Let's take a closer look at each step. So for step 1, to help you pick a topic you're excited about, the top 2 factors you can focus on are passion and profitability. Start by identifying what you are passionate and knowledgeable about. What do you love to talk about? What do people come to you for advice on? Is there something that you're passionate about or advocate for? The million-dollar question is, are learners willing to pay for courses in your chosen niche? This leads us to the next step, researching your online courses. Going deep into research mode will validate your topic so you don't waste time creating something that won't sell. Here are a few ways that you can approach this. First, conduct research to understand the demand for your topic. What conversations are people having around it? What problems are they looking to solve? What skills are they eager to acquire? What is your competition offering? Next, you can use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Answer the Public to identify the keywords and phrases your audience are using when searching about this topic. You can even structure these as different sections of your course if you want. Then you want to analyze feedback and reviews from existing online courses within your niche. What do students praise? And what do they criticize about these courses? Use these learnings to brainstorm ways that you can stand out from other online courses around your topic. Step 3 is to outline your course goals and objectives. Now that you've gathered research, it's time to outline the goals and objectives for your course. Effective course goals and objectives are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. Here's how you can structure them. First, clearly define what your students will achieve by the end of your course. Be precise about your knowledge, skills, or transformation that they will experience. Next, determine how you will measure success. Will it be through quizzes, assignments, or practical demonstrations? Having measurable objectives allows you to track progress. Next, you want to make sure that your goals are realistic and achievable throughout your course modules. Avoid setting unattainable expectations that might discourage your students. And then align your objectives with the course's overall theme and your students' needs. Each goal should contribute to the course's overall purpose. After that, make sure to set a time frame for when students should accomplish each objective. This helps create a structured learning experience. Step 4 is to create your online course. It's finally time to create your content. The first step is to pick an online course platform. If you're stumped, don't worry, Thinkific makes it easy to build and organize courses without any technical or design skills. And the best part is that you can start your first course for free. So what do you have to lose? Start creating for free by going to www.thinkific.com. Once you've signed up, you can use your outline to decide on what types of content you'll include in your course. And this can range from video to PDF, quizzes, assignments, discussion forums. The world's a bit open here. If you're a bit camera shy to film your content, subscribe to this YouTube channel and let us know in the comments so we can create more trainings to support you. Step 5 is to price your online course. The biggest mistake I've seen creators make is underselling themselves. But you're not going to do that, right? Not under my watch. Your time and expertise has value. You want to honor that while making sure your course is still accessible to your target audience. Here's a few strategies that will help you price your course. First, you could offer a free course, and that can be a killer strategy to attract students and build your reputation as an instructor. You can use your free courses as a lead magnet to encourage students to enroll in your paid courses later. You can also consider offering subscription-based access to your courses. This can provide a steady stream of income as subscribers pay a recurring fee to access your content. You can also bundle multiple courses together and offer them at a discounted rate. This encourages students to purchase more courses at once, increasing your overall revenue. Step 6 is to market and sell your online course. Now that your course is ready, it's time to spread the word about it. How can you convince your ideal audience to enroll without hunting them down one-on-one? Let's look at 4 effective marketing strategies. The first one is content marketing. Content is king in the digital world. You'll want to start with a blog or maybe a YouTube channel or a podcast related to your course topic. Share valuable insights, tips, and knowledge in your niche. By consistently providing valuable content, you'll establish yourself as an authority in your field, attract organic traffic at zero cost, and build an audience that's excited to enroll in your courses and future paid products. Talk about loyalty. Email marketing is a great option as well, and it is not dead. Building an email list is still a powerful strategy for nurturing relationships with your audience and promoting your courses. Start by offering valuable lead magnets such as free ebooks, webinars, or mini courses in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Once you have a list of subscribers, segment them based on their interests and preferences. This allows you to send targeted messages and promotions tailored to each group's needs. You can create email campaigns, strategic newsletters, exclusive discounts or offers, and sales sequences to keep your business top of mind. Now let's talk about social media marketing. To attract more students and sales from social media, you can share content related to your course topics on a regular basis. For example, you can take one lesson topic and brainstorm 7 relevant subtopics. Then use each as a social media post to teach, inspire, or entertain your audience through the power of storytelling. This will connect your content to your brand identity. You'll start getting more comments, questions, and discussions on your channels related to your course content. Engage in those conversations to build authentic relationships with your audience. This trust is what's going to land you the sales you're looking for. Okay, let's talk about influencer marketing. Influencers have a close-knit group of followers who trust their recommendations and expertise. And you can use this to your advantage by reaching out to creators with similar audiences and asking for a course promotion. But here's the trick. Focus on micro-influencers, creators with smaller but highly engaged audiences. Micro-influencers often have a more authentic connection with their followers and may be willing to even promote your course in exchange for access or a commission. Step 7 is to relaunch and refine your online course. So is the journey over after the marketing step? Definitely not. It's time to refine your course content by listening to customer feedback. Here's how you can structure this process. First, listen. Ask your customers for feedback to understand what they want from your course. Then sell. Refine your offer using customer feedback and use it to create something that's irresistible to your audience. Then create. Tailor your course content according to customer feedback to create an even more valuable learning experience for them. Next, launch. Launch your course and run it with real students to deliver on your promises. Then restart the loop to refine your offering and your course. With a continuous improvement mindset, you'll ensure that your online course remains competitive, engaging, and valuable to students. And there you have it, an extensive guide to creating and selling online courses without spending a fortune. If you already have your first or next course idea out there, try putting a realistic deadline for yourself. Give yourself 60 days to launch the first version of your course. Keep yourself accountable and drop us a comment if you get stuck any step of the way. Your dreams of becoming a successful online course creator start here, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Happy course creation and selling. Subscribe to our channel for more creator educator tips on making money online. There's lots more where that came from, so stay tuned.